Today we're at the old historic cemetery of the gold rush mining town of St. Louis in Sierra County, California. We're going to explore, hopefully find the town site and explore it after this. Wanted to make a quick stop here at the old cemetery, which is pretty secluded. Like all these places here in Northern California in the pine forests. But they are the neatest deals you can explore. We live in Nevada. We've been doing the desert for many years, but going back to these areas is, in my opinion, it's got paradise. This town of St. Louis was founded somewhere in the 1850s. Had a pretty decent population. We'll find the town site. Huh. Here's this guy. Oh, sorry about the shade. Breeze is kicking up a little bit, so there might be some wind noise. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Tired of hearing complaints about wind noise. I run a GoPro. That. There's another one of those deals. It's a pretty big cemetery, actually, compared to some of the other ones. This is Susie McKenzie. She died in 1901. Poor girl. What do we got here? William McGrath. Died in 1908. We got one over here. Hopefully we can find the old town site. It looks like it's going to be a bit of a challenge. Can't read this one, but it died in 1905. Andrew something. This whole area right here, this part of Sierra Plumas County was all big hydraulic mining. We'll probably catch some of the hydraulic areas on the way, hopefully, to Queen City. Really? Here's this one. Oh, this guy was definitely German. H.W. Stahl. He died in 1879. A little Lamb of God right there on the top of his headstone. Let's see if we can. It's cool. Here's a grave. The headstone's been vandalized, stolen, or whatever. Whatever idiots do these days. Here's another tiny marker. Another one right here. Here's the grave of Alexandria Carmichael, died in 1894. She was 71 years old. Yeah, Carmichael, yeah. Margaret Carmichael, 1897. And that's it. Looks like they were gonna. Here's this little plot. This guy, Evan Jones, 1896. Hey, here's one with your namesake there, Mikey. Shot, probably not. Hit that one. Oh, I think I already got the German guy over there. There's this one. What's this boy? Mary J. Manuel Brown, died 1902. 48 years old. Shit, my age. Is there more out that way too? Addie Amelia died 1873. Beautiful headstone. That is beautiful. There's this plot here with this ornamental cast iron that's long deteriorated. Yeah, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. 1875. Memory of. 17 years old. It's a youngster. Griffin D.G. Rees. I guess that's what that says. This guy's parents must have had some money. W.T. Jones died 1880. Henry, son of E.L. Jones, died 1881. 18 years, 11 months, 23 days. Mikey, it looks like you have some ancestors that lived in this town. There's just a big plot with no headstones, I guess. That's what this is. That's another little grave over there. Oh, this one. Yeah, a little metal stake and oh, it has a thing right here. Henry Moody, 1933, I think this is. This guy was so poor. Sad. And here's another little forgotten grave. Some poor people or the headstones. Just, you run into these a lot, these old mining towns. Now we're going to go up the hill just a bit. There's more up here. Pine cones. Here's this one. See what this is. This is a family plot, it looks like. Oh, definitely. Golan. It's a family plot. Here's an unmarked one. We're going to try to get this whole deal best we can. This forgotten cemetery. Here's this guy's cast iron work that's deteriorated over the years and fallen. Here's his headstone though. Oh, shit. 1860. God damn. To the memory of C.F. Newman. Oh, he's from Germany. Native of something Litz, Prussia, which would be Germany. Huh, I'll be damned. This one's awesome. Like this guy, my heritage is German. 29 years, 9 months, 20 days. This guy come from Prussia. Holy shit, this is one of the neater cemeteries. See, there's his old wrought iron little enclosure rusted out, collapsed, but there's some of the stuff still here. Damn, this graveyard's pretty damn neat, Mikey. Compared to some of these other ones we've. Here's this one. There's the little bitty headstone. The initials. Memory of Jan C., wife of this. Died 18... Oh shit. 25 years old. 1861. God damn, you get the older graves back in here. Sacred memory of Abigail, wife of Henry Jenkins. Prussia. That guy's from Germany, not Russia. Oh. Yeah, I'll get him. Native of... Fuck, I can't... Oh, something England. Dude, this graveyard's pretty cool just for being... Oh, yeah. Or they're just poor people that could afford a headstone.
Well, no, I'm saying like, it's like yours, like this. It's like tin and it has all these little holes poked in it.
Oh.
Like that one down there has one.
Yeah, this cat right here is from Germany. That one.
Got it here?
Yeah, it's like a hella early grave too.
Yeah, 18.
Fucking Germans were out here fucking trying to mine.
Because you got, I like this bench. This one's cool, man.
Yeah, this whole setup right here is pretty cool. Let's go over here. God damn, how many is there? There's that. 1863. Holy crap. Some old graves, man. There's that little tiny one. Charles Frawler, 45 years old, died 1871. One-time resident of the town of St. Louis. That's no more. Is this the rock thing you're talking about right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a grave. Somebody didn't have enough money. Her family didn't have enough money for a headstone. It's a cool cemetery. There's an overview of the St. Louis Cemetery before we sign out. How to go find the actual town site. $16 There's one I might have missed real quick. Yeah, I missed these. Holy crap, this one's old. Yeah. Died 1862, 36 years old. He was a Freemason. See the symbol right there? Here's another one. Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson, huh? President of the United States, buried in St. Louis. Yeah, go for it. 38 years old. And I'm just playing for people that don't have any intel. Yeah, this is not the President of the United States, Andrew Jackson. Sacred to the memory. Well, that's about it. This is the old, goddamn, this cemetery's pretty freaking cool. And sorry about the bug noise, complain about that, so be it. We're actually out here in the wilderness doing this stuff. Last thing here, say goodbye to Andrew Jackson. And this beautiful headstone here, it's very old. Ghost towns in Nevada and California. Signing up. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share, like, whatever.